that I hit you with a full-on attack. Rock, 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 rock. Never pull no punches, it was full contact. Rock, 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 rock. Now we enter the place and we now want bring it back. In it, rock, 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 rock. Hit you in the heart and mean it deep in pain. Rock, 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 rock. I never meant to hurt you. I'll do the things some people do. I know I'm hurt.
What am I supposed to do? Unsay akong angayan nga buhaton karon nga naay COVID-19. Coronavirus, COVID-19, NCOV, unsa man gyud. Anyways, trambal ano niya. Pero ang highlight kita ni ug unsay ang angayan nga buhaton karon nga naatay crisis na COVID-19. Pero it's just my personal take about this issue. So, it's up to you if sundon ninyo or dili. But for me, man yung nakita nga pinaka-practical nga buhaton sa karon. So, what am I supposed to do? So, una sa tanan asa tang ato sang dapat mabalan kung unsa gid ang kani COVID-19 sa coronavirus o yung mga symptoms. So, let's check here. So, now karon sa website sa World Health Organization. So, diri gid ta kay mo man ni pinaka-reliable na atong source. So, what is a coronavirus? Diri gingon. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as MERS, or yung panila Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, o ang SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease, COVID-19. So, ang coronavirus, usa ka large family sa viruses. And then, COVID-19, mao ni ang disease o ang sakit. Meaning, ang coronavirus na na-discover karon, nag-emerge karon, mao ni nag-cause og COVID-19. So, unsa po daw ng COVID-19? It is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Meaning, dili lang ni karon ang coronavirus. Nanan niya itong mga niagi pa. But, kaning recently discovered coronavirus, mo ning ka-cause of COVID-19. And ingon pa nila, wala pa daw sani sinang inject. Tambal wa. Wala pa siya kagani na. Vaccine. Wala pa siya vaccine. Okay. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, hilanat, tiredness, pagkakapoy, o dry cough. So, kung napasiguro kay plema sa imong ubo, safe pa ka. Some patients may have aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. These symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually, hinay-hinay. Some people become infected but don't develop any symptoms and don't feel unwell. Sama ra pod ni Migsubiri, nga nag-announce siya nga nana daw siya COVID-19, positive siya, pero wala siya gabation. So, mo tingin asymptomatic. Wala pa siya symptoms, or basin pwede wala siya symptoms. So, around one out of every 6 people who gets COVID-19 becomes seriously ill and develops difficulty breathing. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems, or diabetes are more likely to develop serious illness. People with fever, cough, and difficulty breathing should seek medical attention. So, mo nang ginaingon nga mga hamtong or itong mga lulog-lula or mga katigulangan samot nagnanagibati. Kung mahimo, they stay at home kay para malayo sa mga sakit kay basin masubraan sila. Kay mas dali sila maapektuhan sa COVID-19 tungod kay nanon sila dayon problem. For example, heart problems, diabetes, o high blood pressure. So let's proceed. Let's go back to our pan. Ang pangutana, what am I supposed to do? Mo po nang ipangutana sa akong kaugalingon. Aning COVID-19. So, nanadiri infectious disease ni siya. Meaning infectious, makatakod. O unsay mga droplets, ingon pa nila. May mga ingon nga airborne, pero wala pa siya nakita na ko karon nga mao gyud ang reason why. But for sure, droplets, meaning laway nato. Laway ta. Mantay. So, mo ni makatakod. So, unsa tong akay buhaton? Saka ba? What the fuck? What the fuck? Then, letter Q. So, muna ako nakuha nga mga tips nga personally nga mabuhat nato sa itong kaugalingon para malayo taan ng COVID-19. So, maning what the fuck? Hindi na siya, na. So, wa, di, fa, and then last Q. Very simple nga mga buhatonon para malayo tan COVID-19. Dito magka-COVID-19. Wash your hands, wash your body. And when washing your hands, make sure you wash with your soap, mga antibacterial soap, kanang mga soap na makatangtang sa mga viruses. And also, wash your body. Also, you can wash your hands with solutions nga ni alcohol. Yun pa nila, 70% plus. But napod ko nabalan nga sa US daw, grabe kahapdos ang ilang alcohol. Kay ako na search po, 91% solution of alcohol ang naa sa ilang ginagamit karon. So, gabi na ginakaisog. Napoy kaingon nga ang bleach sa kulag tubig or chlorine sa kulag tubig, maybe dili ko mo confirm ana, but what's for sure, wash your hands with soap and water and regularly wash your body. Kung mahimo gikan ka gawas, ligo ka kay patakabalon sa mga dala sa mulawas. D, distance yourself. Palayo. Avoid contact with others. At least daw na atay 1 meter or 3 feet na kalayon sa lain nga tao. Why? Ngano ka ba? Ang uban, katingas lang ngano magpalayo man. Naba na sa ilang panic, sa ilang sinina. Probably. But the main reason why is, when we talk, ang droplets, ang kontatong laway, kung duol kayo na siya, sure na yun na shoot sa iyang mata, ilong, o baba. So, we should distance ourselves, avoid contact. Kung may mo, layo pagid kayo. Kaya para ang laway na to, dito sa ground. Munang karon, bawal na itong makaunog ka ng natagak na kuhan. Bisan pagin kag, 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Nga naman, makakabalo na itong virus. The coronavirus, na dalaan ng COVID-19, is grounded. Meaning sa ground sila daghan kay. Atong droplets dito mga kuhan, luha, gasturya, dito matagak ang laway. So, ay mo pamunit og pagkaon. And always disinfect your area. So, appeal ni sa D, disinfect. But before ta mag-proceed sa fa, gusto ta ko ipanaw ta mo sa usa ka video which really explains the importance of social distancing. So, ato i-play.
This dot represents one person who's healthy and decides to go out like usual. They jump on the subway and head into the office where they catch COVID-19. But they don't feel sick right away and might not for several days. So later they go to a basketball game where they unknowingly infect 2 or 3 more people. Most of these people will have relatively mild cases, but one might be an elderly person with a severe case who will eventually have to go to the hospital. But these 3, who are all infected but don't feel sick, go out again, on the subway, into the office, and then out after work, infecting several more people, 20% of whom will need to go to the hospital. Over a short period of time, this process multiplies the number of people going to the hospital each day. Before long, the hospital is full and a crisis begins. People with severe cases of COVID-19 can't get treatment, and some who could be saved die. Plus, people with other issues can't get treatment either, and some of them die. This surge of severe cases causes avoidable deaths. That's what happened in South Korea, Iran, and Italy, all of which went from 100 to more than 5,000 cases in less than 2 weeks. A lot of people died because they couldn't get into the hospitals. This surge is made up of only severe cases, but it was generated by people who didn't feel sick, spreading the disease in public. Which means the people who can do the most to avoid these unnecessary deaths are these people. And that means all of us. To slow the virus down, you need to act as if you already have it. By avoiding public transportation, the office, crowded places, and even small social gatherings, you decrease your chances of both getting the disease and spreading it. This is called social distancing. If enough of us do it, the virus still spreads, but much slower. Over time, many people might still get infected, but fewer severe cases show up to the hospital each day, never overwhelming the system. This trend line gets flatter. These people can all get treatment, and fewer people die because of it. These are the two ways the COVID-19 pandemic can play out. But this one only happens if everyone does their part. And it's why experts and officials are urging people to flatten the curve by social distancing and staying home as much as possible.
So, mo to siya. Next, fa. Actually, it's about face mask or your face. Basta, una, wear face mask. Kung wala kay face mask, you can use at least siguro any nga pantabon. Tissue dayon, banyo. Pero pwede po siguro panyo. Kaya ako lang, basta baga-baga. Kaya ang laway, dili mo penetrate sa imuhang skin o dili matilapan sa imuhang dila or mudapat sa imong lips. So you should cover your face. What I like, karon katubit ang face shield, more siya glass, more siya clear folder. So, syaro mo, dapat pa ang laway sa laing tao sa imuha. So, I'm sure dili na. And ikaw po, makaprotekta ka from the COVID, and ikaw po, kung naki-COVID, di ka makatakot sa ilaha. Okay? Nga may face shield. So, you should cover your face. And, pinaka-importante po, don't touch your face. Why? Ato mga kamot, bisa unsay gawiran. Cellphone, laptop, lamisa, handrails, doorknob, o takabalo dito nagpuyo ang virus. Nasya dito, nalagsikan man tuglaway. So, bahala gugaw atong kamot. Basta kayo ta nakawid sa dagway, at least safe na ta. Pero napiyon la, the virus can penetrate sa atong skin. That is why, wash regularly. So, mo na siya sa fa. And Q, di ko kayo niya kadunggan sa uban. Pero nahunhunan ko lang niya. Kaya nga, distance yourself, wear face mask or cover your face. Pero, example, di ka makadistansya. Di po ka makatutong face mask o ibang tabon. Yan pinaka-effective sa kuha. Keep your mouth shut or keep quiet. Why? When you keep quiet, close imong mouth. And when close imong mouth, way laway mo gawas. Di ba? So, kung may laway mo gawas, walay droplets. Kung walay droplets, walay chances nga makatakod ka sa uban. Unsa man imong dala. Bisan pag di na COVID-19, kung giub ka, gilanat ka, unsa pa yung masakit. Katakod gyapon ka through the droplets. Should keep quiet. Di ba? Bisan pag dikit mo, wa mo istoryan na. Di ba? Hindi safe. So, mo to ingon ako. What the fuck? Mo na itong solution para makuha sa COVID-19. Practical lang. Dagan pa man kaayog mga angay buhaton. Pero, personally, nga mabuhat na to, wash your hands, wash your body, distance yourself, disinfect mga butang sa inyong balay, mga kaga-trabaho, wear face mask, cover your face, don't touch your face, and keep quiet. Dili kasi magsabak sa mutnag nakasarila, nakasamultikab. Mahadlok ng tao si kagstoryan kapag lagsik imong laway. Ano sa pa? Dapat di ka bad breath, okay? Di lagi mamatay sa COVID-19, pero mamatay po sa baho sa imong baba. So, what the fuck? Pero napatay dugang. Other tips. Be healthy, of course. What do I mean when I say be healthy? Why? You should be healthy para itong immune system kay kusog, And dili to dali matakdan. Possibly matakdan ta, either ma-delay nato ang symptoms or basin di na mo gana ang symptoms, we don't know. Pero ang ako bitaw yung ganapan nga pinaka-practical nga nung magpaka-healthy ta. Inani. Kung gaubo na mangud na karon, delikado na. Ubo lang ka palayo ng mga tao. And kung mag-post po ka sa Facebook, feeling sick. Sa una, char kay na. Pero karon try gani. Feeling sick. Nung sa di ka, nakoy ubo hilanat. Patay. Atuan yun kag DOH. O bunsa pa. Dali po ka matakdan yun, of course. But, actually, the advantage of this COVID-19, actually, ang mga tao, gapalipay ko. Gasuroy ko karon kita na ko sila kapamalit sila utan. Dagan gigabat utan. Galing niya sa sidewalk ang kabalik ng mga utan. Apoy galing niya sa fruit stand. Anang katubi itong mga pagkaon nga di kay healthy.
I know that I hit you with a full-on attack. Rock, 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 rock. Never pull no punches, it was full contact. Rock, 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 rock. Now we enter the place and we now want bring it back. In it, rock, 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 rock. Hit you in the house and mean it deep in pain. Rock, 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 rock.